So I said I would keep you wet and would keep you lubricated. Well, here's how I'm gonna do it. My buddy Kostas, link is in the description. He's a young automotive technician wannabe in Athens, Greece. I think he's 15, maybe 16 years old. He works on a Volkswagen, or he has a Volkswagen T2 transporter, I believe it is, a Volkswagen bus transporter or pickup, which he maintains, works on, overhauls, etc. So he's quite the smart kid, and he's a loyal viewer of mine, of my YouTube channel and of my Instagram. So I got this tip from him. This is a inline tool oiler. So as indicated by these tools, it says oil daily. I'm too lazy to do that with this, with this bottle on a daily basis or whenever I use this. So he made me aware of these inline oilers. You basically screw this into here, and you put the nipple into here, or the air hose fitting, you put it in here, and then you put oil into this chamber, and as air rushes through here, it draws oil into the air tool. So this is quite ingenious. I had no idea these things were available. So as I was installing this, our apprentice came by and he had an idea. Why not just attach it to a male-female connection? Now if I need to use it, I just hook it up to here, and then I hook up whatever tool is required. That way, not every tool needs to have an oiler. And if I don't need the oiler, if I happen to be using the air gun, I just take the oiler off. Genius. Genius. Very, very smart. So I hope you guys like that trick. Works good. Look. I gave you credit. Yeah, I said our apprentice. Genius guy, I said.